Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Bhrigu. In today's video, we will be deep diving into another highly charged, a very unique conjunction in the realm of astrology, that is the Yuti between Mercury and Ketu. What does this mean? How does this manifest? What are the key markers? Let us figure out, let us break it down. Mercury. Mercury is your intellect, your communication. It is your intelligence, your neighbors, your sisters, your buas. They are all governed by Mercury. What about Ketu? Ketu represents cuts, breaks. Ketu is narrowness. Ketu is your ability to deep dive into things. Ketu is deep focus, deep skills. All these things are governed by Ketu. So whenever these two are together or sitting in trine to one another, or Ketu is in the next house to Mercury, the results will play out. Such people are highly intelligent, great intellectuals, yet detached from the worldly order. That is the key marker of Mercury Ketu. Such people are brilliant chess players, brilliant coders, brilliant programmers. They are great astrologers. Such people can become excellent stand-up comedians too, because they have the ability to just be witty without being emotional. Such people does extremely well in the field of actuary, mergers and acquisitions, because of their ability to find loopholes into things. They are the people who plays excellent devil's advocate because they always think from the other side of the table. These are the people who question the normal norms of the society in their head. They will not speak it out loud like the Jupiter Ketu person. They will mentally do all the permutation combinations of all the possibilities that are coming to their mind. On the negative side of things, these are the people who can have speech imparities in the childhood days. They can stammer while speaking. Such people could experience breaks in their education. Such people should never start business on a very large scale. Such people, they should never enter into stock market. Stock market is not for them. One of the best remedies for a Mercury-Ketu conjunction person is they should practice pranayama. That is one of the best remedies a person can do with this combination. Another remedy that they can do is they can take small pauses while speaking. This is a very good remedy and this works wonders. Now from the Vastu angle, such people should avoid having a staircase in the north direction of their home. And coincidentally, such people end up attracting the house having a staircase in the north zone. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the next one. If you have any doubts, you can always leave your comments down below. If this resonates with you, you can let me know if you also have Mercury Ketu conjunction, how that is playing out in your life. Do let me know. I would love to hear your feedback and your comments on that. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.